Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Make a Game episode 5. In the last episode what did we do? We sorted out these guys, our NPCs, so that they would patrol through all these target cubes that we've got randomly, and then we brought in our healer and we set him up so that he would chase them down when they've been infected and cure them. We tried to have him patrol the cubes as well. He didn't do that properly. He went to one and then stopped. And then eventually he just actually stopped going to them. But I had a thought. Because in Let's Make a Sci-Fi RPG, I had enemies that were patrolling through waypoints. And if a player got near them, he would go and the enemy would chase the player. And when the player got out of range, he'd go back to his patrol. So we're going to try and set that up here using a bool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down here. Bool is patrolling. And at the start, it's going to be true. So it's going to start off patrolling. We're going to avoid patrol. And what we're going to say is, this is where we're going to get... Ooh, my neck. This is where we're going to get our nav.set destination to our waypoints. And it's going to be a random dot. See, we didn't do it this way in the sci-fi RPG, I don't think. Oh, well, we kind of did. 0 and waypoints length. Oh my god, I can't type. Waypoints dot length. We're going to do dot transform dot position. But we are going to do it if nav dot remaining distance is less than or equal to 1. That's when we're going to do this. I'm going to do it down. I'm going to do it down here. Right. There we go. This should work. So we're setting a destination at the start for a random waypoint. And then if your remaining distance is this, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this out. And we're going to say if in... Actually, we don't even need the... we'll leave that, right? I don't think we need it, because basically what we're going to do here is we're going to patrol. So if there's nothing in your infected array, patrol. Shit, no. No. And here. And is patrolling is true. We're going to patrol here. If there's something in the game object, is patrolling is going to equal false. Otherwise, under that, is patrolling is equal to true. Right? We'll see. We shall see. We're going to see how that works. We're going to hit play. He's heading off for 1. Hopefully he gets there. Oh, he immediately changes. Goes right. I need to remember to increase his speed. We're on our healer, on his nav mesh agent. Increase the speed so you can catch them. Increase. Now we're going to just make him really fast so he can get through. He's going to get that guy, then he's going to get that guy. Then he's going to get that guy. Shit, then he's going to get that guy. Is he ever going to? Oh, look, his speed is way too high. Once he gets that guy, he goes for... He's not patrolling. He is not patrolling. What do I have here? He's a target targeting. Why is he not patrolling? Let's serialize this field as well so we can see it. Waypoints is any objects with tag target. You're setting it to a random one. If infected is equal to null, patrol. Maybe I don't need this. Let's just take that out, right? Maybe, well, let's just see what this does. I have a feeling it's going to make him jump. So let's have a look. Where is he at? Oh no, he's not. He's going straight for 1. Well, he's immediately changing. Let's put your speed up so you can catch up. Then he stops. Out of bounds. Index was outside. Does it have a line? That there's CS 35. 35. It's new set destination infected. Not equal to null. If infected, not equal to null. Well, that's right. The error doesn't seem to be doing anything anyway, so if infected, maybe this is what the problem is. If infected is equal to null, maybe that's not the right way to do it. How do I? I mean, 0 would still be 1. Well, maybe I don't need this. Get rid of that. Get rid of these, right? So if there's anything in there, you're going to do this. I do think I need an else statement. Whoa, undo. What did I do? I do think I need an else if statement because I feel like it's just going to update and have him patrol and not go to the guys. We're going to bump up his speed again. Oh, see? Yeah. Yes, I was right. Hey, I was right. What if we just do else? Else, and we don't say anything. We just do an else statement. Pop that in there. Save it. You know what? Just unplay because this is going to annoy me. Speed 5. The NPC speed is 3.5, so we should be able to catch them. Because he's faster. I mean, I could just move myself out of the way. So he patrols, he hits that one and stops. He hits that one and stops. Why is he stopping? Why is he stopping if his patrolling is true? And if nav dot remaining distance is less than or equal to 1. We want to put this in. No, we'll go down to the end here. Oop. Oh my god, come on. Put that in there. And try it. I don't know. It's very strange. There, so it goes to that one and stops. Well, let's have a look at him. Where's his waypoints is 6, so they're all there. He has. He's going off. And then he stops. He goes off. Okay. So if his patrolling is true, we're doing this all the time because it's been called in the update. So why? Why? If his patrolling is 2. Right, why don't we do this? Nav dot set destination. Remember the same line of code, waypoints. Waypoints 0. Ooh, nope, random. No, we're actually, yeah, random. I'll give you a random one. 0 waypoints dot length. Transform dot position, right? So you're going to go to a random one, and then if you get within range of that, you're going to go to another random one. Only if patrolling is true, which is set here. Otherwise, patrolling is false, and you're going to go to the first infected guy in your list. And we'll see how that works. Off he goes to the infected guy. I'm just going to move out of the way. And he stops. He stops. It's... I have a feeling it's something to do with this. Infected is not equal to null. Right. Else if infected is equal to 0, that's not right. No, can't do this. Operator cannot be applied to the type of game object int. If infected is equal to 0. No, I can't do that. Cannot just game object. If infected dot length is equal to 0. Then you'll do that. Give it a go. Gonna move me out of the way. So he's just gone to 1. Why? You've gone to 1, you're in range of it. Why aren't you going to another one? No. If I move him, he's still going back to that one. He only goes to... Is this code being called? debug.log patrolling. Is this code even being called? I don't think it is. So you're gonna go here. Oh well, it's found me already. I'm gonna move out of the way. I'm gonna cure him. Console. It's not. He's not patrolling. So what if I do if infected.length is not equal to 0? Is not equal to 0. Then you're gonna, but I mean, I think that's not the same as saying it's equal to null. Let's see what happens. You're flipping around all of them. This guy's gonna get infected. He goes straight for me. Starts flipping around all of them. And patrolling is being called a lot. A lot. Right. Then we will get rid of this one. And save. And hit play. So it's only if he gets within range that a new one should be set. So he's going for that one. He's running off to chase the infected. I'm going to move out of the way. He gets the infected guy. Goes back to that one. Goes to the next one. And I'm going to look for a guy to infect. So he's got the second one. He's off to a third one. I'm going to run over this guy and boom, infect him. He went straight for that guy and back to patrol. There we go. We got it. Yeah. Now, let's make this a little bit more interesting, shall we? I could add in more cubes, but I'm not going to. Can I rename all of these? Probably not. Anyway, let's just rename this one, call it waypoint, so I don't get confused. I might actually just, target is quite ambiguous, because target would be, like if you had a target to attack, waypoint would be a better name for it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a waypoint. I'm going to add a tag called waypoint, and all of these cubes are going to be tagged waypoint. I'm also going to turn off their mesh renderer so that they're invisible, because we don't need to see them. This waypoint is also going to be tagged waypoint. Call these waypoint. And you know what would be a quicker way to do this? Just copy it and let me go in here. This is waypoint 3. This one should have been waypoint 2. This one is going to be waypoint 4. This one is going to be waypoint 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a cube. Create a new cube. Let's just zero it out for now. Where's there we go. Move it up. So it's on the ground plane. And we're going to scale it. Oop, not that much. What have we got here? Too much. Just focus. I was trying to focus in on it, not focus out. I just want to have it on the ground. We are going to create We're going to duplicate it. Let's rotate it around, say, 90 degrees. And let's move it. We give them a little gap to go through. Why is there a cube here? What are you? I never turned off your mesh renderer. I'm actually going to turn them all back on for a sec so I can see. I don't want one intersecting. Oh, it's just on the other side of it though. That's not bad. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this one. I'm going to scale it down. Woo! Scale it down. And we'll just place it. Going to make them have to move around, duplicate, rotate. Have it maybe here just to block it off. Duplicate it. Let's give one at an angle. Move it over, say, have like a little, just a little. How's that look? That'll do. I think that one's a bit too big. And duplicate, have one, say, have one. Yeah, this is the player, right? This is the player. He's going to start over here. Healer's going to start over here. What I might do is give them both like a little, just a little corridor that they got to go down. You're going to need one as well. Duplicate you. You're going to have a corridor. And duplicate you. So we're trying to make like rats in a maze kind of thing. We'll block off the rest of this. That really matters, but just for fun. And do the same over here. So we just got a little place to work with. And I might just do the same on the end here. Doesn't need to be perfect for now. This is just, doesn't matter if they intersect. Don't want them to be able to get out or around. So we got a little maze. I'm going to rotate this around here, duplicate it, move it over, scale it in over here. This guy we're going to duplicate, put it, say, one here. I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put one over here and over here. And we're going to put some more obstacles, say, have one there. Rotate this guy a little bit. And scale him. Scale him. So you got kind of this thing. You can go in there. And duplicate you. Put one over here. So just trying to populate the level. Right? There's loads. There's loads. And let's duplicate some of these guys. We can just duplicate them. So they've all got the same script on them. What we need to do is Patronus infected target. We have changed to waypoint. Whoops, did that save? And in NPC, we need to do the same thing. Oh, we can also delete all this stuff that we don't need. We didn't need any of that. We don't need this. We don't need any of this. And we don't need this. or this. We do need that. So that's what we got. Much smaller, and we didn't need these. And we didn't need this. Speed, we're not even using. So we are actually going to get rid of that because we can. The navmesh agent has a speed variable in it. Just tidy this up. Tidy this up. It's being kind of pedantic now. Nice and neat. That should be fine. When I hit play, a load of these NPCs should just pop out, and they should all start doing their thing. Oh. But most of them aren't. Why not? Why are you not moving? The other thing I also need to do is for all these cubes, cube, and cube. Is that everything? It is. I want to go to cube is navigation static and it is not walkable. I want to rebake. So there should be, yeah, there's areas around them. You got little paths. So they can't. And outside the bounds of the array for NPC. 28. Line 28 on NPC. Line 28. Outside the array. Target is equal to game objective. Find game objects with tag. Target. I never changed it. I thought I had. Waypoint. Or did I not? I thought I did. Waypoint. Game object targets is here. I am going to rename this way points. I'm just going to make sure that all these are, yeah, they're on tag, that's fine, but these guys, waypoint. We're going to hit play. Off they go. Going to random waypoints. Why are you guys... Where are you trying to go? They have a capsule collider. Do they need a rigid body? That's my question. I think we found out that they did. I'm going to remove a rigid body on one of them. And I'm going to hit play. So this guy doesn't have a rigid body. Is he going to move? He is. He goes around. Let's go to that one. Gets to it. He moves. So I'm going to try and find this guy. Went the wrong way. It is. There's one guy not moving. Who are you? There's a green guy. Hey, it's you, isn't it? Yeah. So you don't change. You do not change. Every other one will, I think. The green guy not moving. Red. Which green guy is this? Is this my healer green guy? No, this is just an NPC. All these guys. I'm gonna create an empty game object. I'm gonna reset it. I'm going to call this environment. Is that how you spell it? I'm gonna take all these cubes, and cube. I'm gonna pop them down there. They have a box collider, that's fine. I just want to make them taller. Make them so it's like a maze. taller. Close that down. So while we're here, do it for all of them. Create an empty. This one's just reset. Where's it gone? Reset it. This one will be NPCs. Just gonna take all of our NPCs. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna drag these in there. I'm gonna try to find the guy that had a rigid body removed. Which rigid body, he didn't. Right, so we'll add it back on. The component rigid body can't be added because MP3 only can just what? Oh, we just have one. NPC4 has a rigid body. NPC5 has a rigid body. Use have one removed. You had one removed. Rigid body. Back. You have one. You have one. You have one, and you have one. Cool. NPCs and why? Might as well do one for reset for waypoints. Waypoint to waypoint to waypoint, waypoint. You guys will all go into there. Cool. Now what I'm gonna do is select all you guys. I mean, we'll turn your mesh renderer off. We're gonna hit play. What's going on here? Oh, the lighting. Shadows. Very strange. Oh, hello. I would like to infect you. And you. Oh, are you going to cure them? I'll infect you as well. You just cured that guy. Haha, I reinfected him already. It's very... Where am I? I'm there. It's not much of a maze, is it? You can just go... I should probably... There's nothing in here. So I gotta find them. Oh, there's just 3 of you there doing nothing. So I wonder why is the nav mesh not calculating the best way for you to go? Let's have a look at these guys. Like, for instance, you are standing... Oh, you're just going slow. Is that the problem? We should increase their speed. Are any of them stuck? No. Okay. Interesting. What we will do then... Let's give them a higher speed. All my NPCs, we're going to give you guys a speed of 10 and see what that's like. Healer, you're going to get a speed, Navmesh agent speed of 15, and so's the player. Oh, you don't have a Navmesh agent. You've got a speed setting there. Well, what happens if I put you at 15? We'll have a look. Oop. Faster. Hey guys. Just gonna take you. Did I just go through a wall? I did. I can go through walls. Isn't that interesting? Let's do something with the lighting here. The lighting is terrible. Is that I don't know where my healer is. Let's have a look in the scene view. Here he comes. Where are you off to? Oh, you're an NPC. Jeez. Where is an easy way to find him? Here. Are you? Why is your mesh renderer not turned off? It doesn't look like any of them are stuck. Can I have oh, where? Well, this guy's going slow as balls. So he must have hit something. Oh, he's going fast again. He's going there. He's going back. This guy's just... What's your problem? You're trying to get... Is there a... Let's look. Waypoints. Which waypoint is he trying to get to? Show your mesh runners on. Oh, he's that one. You're now trying to get to 2. Is there one? No. No. Where is he trying to go? He's trying... oh, yeah, okay. Oh... Could it be because I increased the size of their nav mesh agent that somebody stopped him from getting to it? No, that shouldn't be a thing. Like, AI is tricky. It's hard to program AI when I don't have my own real intelligence. Like, so you're there, and where are you going? Well, you're also trying to get to it. So 2 of them are trying to go for the same one. Are they blocking each other? Is that a thing? Like, you're at it. Well, you... Now where are you trying to get to? See, this red line shows his path. It should not be going along here because this is not walkable. So they should not be able to... Why? And then he's going zoom. Can I... objects. You are not walkable. Then is it on the other areas? Walkable, bake, agents, radius, height, high slope, max slope. So then it might be in the NPCs. Let's just pause this for a second. I can change this in the prefab. Stopping distance, area break. So this is on auto break. Your obstacle avoidance radius. Let's bump that up. Let's see. Do I have to rebake it? Bake. Don't know if that's made much of a difference. Let's look. Let's just pick one at random. Where are you going? Your red line is still cutting across. Like, you're still hitting things. Go to there. Look at that. This area is not walkable, and yet they're... That doesn't really matter, does it? My healer should just be patrolling right now. If I go to my console, he is, because I haven't infected anybody. Let's go find somebody to infect. There you go. There's 2 of them right now. So if I go to my console, this number should stop going up. He's not patrolling anymore. Good. Good. Okay. Oh, also, what the... Am I in somebody... Have I caused a... I caused a little bit of a pileup. You should be avoiding me and calculating a way to get around me. I'll just move you out of the way there. Where are you going? NPC, where are you going? Oh, I'm standing right on a... I was standing right on one of the waypoints, wasn't I? Let's have a look at them. Turn your mesh renders back on for a sec. Yeah, I was. So then I might need 2. They don't need to get that close. Maybe NPCs. If the distance is less than 1.5f, and the healer will do the same. 1.5f. Now, there's not often that I would just be standing still, or a player would be standing still. You'd be chasing the guys down. Save that. Did I save the other one? I did not. Save that. Okay, what do we got here? And I could put loads of them in. Like, you could put in as many NPCs as you want, so, and as many waypoints. I could put in 2 healers. What would happen if I put in 2 healers? I'm going to put one over that side. I'm going to... I don't know what's going to happen. They might clash with each other. I'm going to just infect loads of people. And then... Are they all going... Can they all go through walls? Or is it just they're going into the shadow and I can't see them anymore? No, well, you're not going through a wall. Where are my healers? Healer 1, where are you? You are... I don't know what you're doing. Healer 1. There's still 2 infected. There's 1 infected. Healer 1, where are you going? Or are they both going for the same dude? There's still 1 infected. Where is the other healer? Chasing. Console. They're not patrolling, so they're looking. Nobody's infected. They are patrolling. So you could even have more than 1. So how long have we got left? Let's do let's go to my project. Let's just save all our work so far because I haven't saved. Can I do anything with the light? Directional light. Where are you at? I don't know which way. Could put it so that there's less shadows. Better. Let's just give it a bit of a. What kind of color would be nice? Orangey, sunsetty color. And my main camera background. Let's give you. I mean, that doesn't do anything. Clear flag, skybox, solid color. No, you don't like that either. You don't. Oh, alpha. I don't want it to be. I mean, it's not doing it. Oh, it is. Oh, that's too orange. Let's give it kind of a pinky color. So I just go back into my game view. That's what we got. Still quite dark. Let's go back to my directional light and soft shadows, color intensity. Let's brighten things up. Woo, too bright. The other thing we could do is give the walls a material and a color, which we can do. Create a material. We'll just call this walls. What color do we want them? We can change the color at any point. Can I just drag this into here? Into all of them? Can I do it on all of them? Yes. Will it let me? It won't. It was doing something. Let me put you somewhere. No. Fine. Oh, that's a waypoint. What am I doing? Cube is what I'm looking for. Walls. Let me do all the walls. Install the fucking walls. No. Oh, fine. I'll do it one by one. Just wall. So many walls. Should have done this before I duplicated them all. Stupid. Wall. 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 And I think what I might be able to do is that all of them? I think so. Reflection, specular height, offset, detail mask, albedo, metallic, smoothness, metallic, metallic and smoothness. Ooh, shiny. Emission, that's what I'm looking for. HDR, what if we, we'll also kind of want it to be a bluish. Well then what if we smooth this down? Does this make a difference? Zoom, metallic down. Okay, emission. What if I did like a darker blue? Emission's supposed to be shine intensity down, up, white down. -2 still seems black. I would rather it to be. So then if I do a directional light and take your intensity down, like the walls should glow. That's my understanding. Mode, real time. Well, that's the directional light. I should have been thinking of walls. Global illumination, real time, yes. What if I was to put it on the floor as well? Just make it all blue. Actually, what if I... Whoo, trippy. We'll do that. At least we can see. There was something else I was going to do. I'm running out of time now. Let's just do one last playthrough then and see if I can see these people better. And actually, we're going to stop. We are going to maximize it so we can properly run around and have a look. No, we're not. Last thing we're going to do is go to our player. He's got a capsule collider. These all have box colliders. I don't know why he's able to go through them, but it doesn't matter. We are going to add a rigid body to him. That should stop him from going through the walls. Yep. Oh, but he does that. Rigid bodies are annoying. Rigid body, we do not want him to be able to rotate on any of them actually. No, we need to rotate around the Y. So the X and the Z we don't want. And his position's fine. Yeah. Cool. Where are you? Oh, look at them all. Come here. Yes, I do. I know. The camera's clipping through the walls. There's a green guy. Where are you going? You stuck? Can't find your way? Where are you going? I'm going to infect whoever you go and cure. Where are you going? The other thing I could do, which would be quite interesting. Where are you going? I think what I'm going to do is instead, because this is getting confusing. Oops. Instead of changing green, I'm going to change them back to their original color. I don't even know, because I don't even know who I was following there. We might have to do this in the next episode, because it might take a while. So, I'll tell you what I'm going to do to try and entice you to come back and watch more. Instead of changing the cured guys to green, we're going to put them all the NPCs back to their original color, which is, I don't know, what one do they have on them? Uninfected. So, kind of a pinky color. That's that's not even what we're going to do. That is what we could do. It's not what we're going to do. What we're going to do is, when the green guys cure them, they are going to become healers as well. Oh, and then should I do it that when they're red, they're infectors? Yes. Yes, let's do that. We'll do that in the next episode. So everyone you infect then becomes infectious. So any red can infect anybody else. Any green can cure anybody else. Can change them to green. So you go from red to green. We'll try it. I think that sounds interesting. So we'll try that in the next episode. So I hope you're looking forward to that. We'll see how it turns out. Again, as always, don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comments below for any other kind of game mechanics you'd like to see, any kind of genres you'd like to see this become or try out, that kind of thing. Just let me know what you want to see in this, because this is only one game mechanic right now. One game mechanic, and we're going to be setting up a second game mode. So yeah, there's still loads we can do. So, and there's no stupid suggestions. Any suggestion can be integrated into this. So any suggestions you have, leave them in the comments below, or hit me up on Instagram. The details will be in the description. Or you can email me at aylowegames@gmail.com, which will also be in the description below. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and consider sharing this with other people you think might be interested in this kind of content. It would help me grow the channel, and I would very much appreciate it. And yeah, if you haven't already, then consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon so you can be kept up to date with all the cool upcoming content that I got. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I will see you all next time.